Well, welcome to Tech Tuesday review, and today I'm going to review my solar panel. I've had it for approximately 5 years, and what's really good about it is that even after all this time it still works and it still held or kept the water out. It used to be on the side of my garage, now it's on the side of my shed. Let me show you. Well, it's a semi-cloudy day today, not massively bright, not massively dark. So the average summer's day for England, roughly what we're in now. Let me show you what voltage I'm pulling off the solar panel. Very basic and very quick setup that I did the other day. I've got some USB ports here running up to do the lighting. So the lights are charged up during the day by a solar panel. And yeah, right, so let's do some quick tests and I can show you what I mean. So, it's a simple solar panel on the side. It's a 12 volt-ish solar panel. Now, let's just see how much I'm getting. So, it's winter's day, it's a little bit cloudy outside, so we're overcast, we're not getting any sun, and the solar panel is on the side of the shed, so it's not even a very good optimal place. So I'm losing about 30% straight off the bat at least, by not having it in optimal positions. So it's something, you know, you need to have some power coming through. You need about, well, to charge a 12 volt battery you need more. You need more, like 14 or 15 volts to come through to be able to charge, really, to charge anything. So let's just put this voltmeter on. Cloudy day outside and we're getting between 17 and 18 volts, which ain't that bad really. Of course when the sun goes down it'll be a lot less, like 0. And I need 12 volts for my USBs to work, and I need, well, at least 13, 14 for the batteries to charge. So yesterday I started this battery here and it was on 0.7 volts, which is, I mean, it's a dead battery, it's an old battery, I don't expect it to ever come back to life again. But I left it on charge for the rest of the day, which is about 3 hours of, maybe 2 or 3 hours of daylight left, and now it's sitting at 1.3 volts. But this is a very cheap and handy little system if you want to keep your batteries topped up, as we're not riding at the moment. Yeah, as we're not riding bikes at the moment, you can just leave these on. I don't have a controller, so I check the voltage manually. When the voltage gets to about 12.5, I don't know if these would ever, I've never had these charge a battery to 12.5 from empty, but they can definitely keep a battery topped up from running out. So it's definitely worth getting. If your battery's healthy, you want to keep it healthy, keep it on a trickle charge. I've never seen these, when the battery gets full, this solar panel I don't think has the power to overcharge a battery. But saying that, I also check the voltage, and the highest this has ever got to is 13 volts off the solar panel, and that was on, you know, perfect condition. So I don't think it's going to get to 13 or 13.5 volts like mine did in the winter. Your results may vary depending on where you mount your solar panel. And then also what I've done here is I've set up some USB plugs. I haven't set this all up correctly yet, I haven't worked out switches and stuff. I do want to make this nice. So now that is powering this USB socket up here, which in turn a wire feeds up here and towards my rechargeable LED strip light, which then recharges, well, all the time basically, and then only turns on when I enter, so it's good, it's automatic. Well, yeah, it works pretty well. I don't have a controller, so I just check the voltage manually every now and then to make sure it's not going too high. Something you want to keep an eye on, like if it gets to around 12 and a bit volts, maybe take it off for a few days and put it back on, or check it and see if it goes back on. Generally, if you've got a bike with absolutely zero plugins whatsoever, then it's fine. But yeah, you can disconnect the battery and leave them off, or disconnect them and plug them into a thing, just to trickle charge them, just to keep them ticking over until we're allowed to ride again, or winter ends and you're allowed to ride again, or whatever. So yes, I highly recommend getting one of them. I'll put a link down below maybe to where you can find it or what it is. Anyway, that's it for now. I guess thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video. Or catch you next week for a Tech Tuesday review with, I'll review something else. Anyway, ciao.